Hello everyone, this is Mahinder. In this video, we are going to start new chapter number 10, surface areas and volumes. Right. So look at here. Yeah, some figures are given here. A rectangle. This is also rectangle. A triangle and circle. Okay, cuboid and cuboid, cylinder, cone. This is sphere. Yeah, what is the difference between the A and B here? Yeah, what is the difference? Right, exactly. These are plane figures. Okay, and these are B are solid figures. Okay, already you know this thing. B are solid figures and A are plane figures. Right. So here, if you see, plane figures can occupy area. Okay, what is that? Plane figures can occupy area and solid figures can occupy volumes. What is the difference between the volume and area? As the name suggests, what is the chapter name? Surface areas and volumes. So what is the difference between the area and volume? Yeah, can you know? Right. So I will explain here the difference between the area and volume. So area. Yeah, area belongs to place and volume belongs to space. Right. Yeah, what is the difference between again place and space? Yeah, place means it is a plane surface. Okay, it is a plane surface which occupy by object, whether it is plane or any solid object. Also solid object also can have areas, but it contains some volume. Okay, but plane figure does not contain any volume, it contains only areas. Okay, it occupies areas. So suppose if you take a what is that, a plain paper, yeah, which is in the shape of rectangle. Yeah, this is the, it occupies some area. Okay, so that is the place. Okay, the plane surface which does not contain any height, the plane surface which does not contain any height is called a place. Okay, it occupies area. So value means it is having some height also. Suppose if you take a matchbox, put it on a surface, yeah, it occupies some bottom area as well as it contains some height also. So that is called, we call space here. Okay, we call that space. Did you get my point? Right, that is the difference between the place and space. Okay, so area is a place occupied by plane figures. Okay, and volume is space, very sorry, space occupied by solid figures. Okay, right. Suppose, see, plane figures are two dimensional. Okay, and solid figures are three-dimensional. Okay, so what are the two-dimensional? Yeah, plane figure contains only length and breadth only, but solid figure contains length, breadth and height. Okay, that is why they called as three dimensional. This plane figure called as two dimensional. Okay, so we can conclude now the two dimensional figures contains areas. Okay, two dimensional figures contains areas and three dimensional figure contains volume. Okay, right. As well as this three dimensional figures contains area also. If you take any three dimensional figure, whether it is solid or whatever the thing, it contains volume as well as surface areas also. Okay, what I am telling here, two dimensional figure contains only areas, but three dimensional figure contains areas as well as volume also. Yeah, how it is possible? Suppose if you take a water bottle which is in the form of cylinder. Yeah, if you pour the water into bottle, what is the meaning of that? Yes, the bottle having some volume. Okay, some volume of water it contains. Okay, so as well as the surface, the what is that, outside of the bottle, it occupies some surface area also. If you cut the bottle and keep it on the earth or what a surface, it occupies some area also, isn't it? Did you got my point? Yes. So what I'm saying here, the solid figures are three dimensional, we call generally 3D, or occupies areas as well as volume also. Okay, did you get my point? I hope you understood what is the difference between the area and volume. I have given very clearly, right? Yeah, okay, we'll discuss the remaining topic in the next video. Thank you.